Hi friends, happy 2022! We made it! I hope that you guys had an amazing holiday season full of joyful moments with friends, family, however, whomever you spend the holidays with, and that you were able to make really great memories. Thank you so much, Nordstrom, for partnering with me on this video. You guys can find more information about the in-person styling session on the description box below. On the time that this video goes live, I will be in Brazil, hopefully, with my family enjoying and making memories down there. We haven't been back in a while now. You guys all know nobody could go in 2020, and the whole family haven't been there since 2019. So it's really something that I'm so excited to go back and be able to enjoy together with my family. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of my essential pieces. I'll pack my bag in here, showing you guys what I'm putting inside. I'm being very choosy on selecting the items that I'll be bringing with me, because I want to be able to wear them multiple ways, pack light, and not be super extra, because we are going to go to the beach. And I just want to be simple yet to the point, a good, simple, chic look. You guys know I'm a fan, so I will be showing you some of the things that I've had for a while and a couple of new things that I've picked up recently. It will just help me to feel my best in my new 2022 attitude. I hope that you guys join me on this Feel My Best attitude, and let's do this. Okay, first and foremost, I usually tend to bring some denim shorts. That's a basic thing. You're gonna wear it every day. I do at the beach, so I just pick one of each color, like a blue denim, white denim, and a black denim. Then shoesies, my friends. I will just be bringing flats, maybe a couple of heels for nicer occasions, but definitely we'll be leaving in this Saint Laurent. I think I have this reviewed on a shoe video from 2021. Definitely have the Chloe ones revealed. I told you guys before, they're not my most comfortable shoes, but they are one of my most worn shoes, sandals, because they just look so good with everything. So I just say shorter distances when you're wearing them. That's my best advice, but I do think that they are really cool and they're worth the hype, but slightly uncomfortable. This one feels like butter, so super nice. And the most comfortable of them all is this Dior's here. And I also have a review on it along with a handbag. Can't remember which handbag it was. I think it was the YSL that I picked up in New York. Yes. So if you guys are debating, thinking about getting it, definitely watch that video, because these are so very comfortable. It's my favorite sandal right now. And I got them in a neutral shade that will go with a lot. So for the next couple of items, there are things that my stylist helped me pick up at the Nordstrom styling sessions I had recently. She basically read my mind, you guys. She had these two items in the room, and I was like, yes, I need this so much. So first of all is this Tory Burch jellies. You guys, these are so good for the beach or for the pool. We tend to wear Havaianas down in Brazil, and they are awesome flip-flops to wear. But these, if you want to look a little nicer, a little chic for like a hotel pool, or even for during the day with the white shirt, just kind of walking around, going shopping, going out for lunch. And the clear ones, I have the nude ones, and they actually broke the strap because they were like 10 years old, and I wore them everywhere, to the beach, to the pool, so they've been in chlorine, they've been in salt water, in the sand, so they are pretty tough. I would say the only thing is don't let them sit on the sun, under the sun, too long, because they will get hot and they will probably tear out easily. And then a pair of sunnies that Chelsea helped me to pick up during my Nordstrom appointments. It was this pair of Gucci sunglasses here. You guys, they have an amazing selection out now. I like mine to be really timeless, the square, kind of like Audrey Hepburn style. I just feel like these are so timeless and they look beautiful with everyone. I am a brunette with a little bit of highlights, so I picked up the brown one. I also have a black pair of Celine's that I'm bringing, and so that should cover my all of my areas here of browns and blacks. So definitely a pair of timeless sunnies. Just one thing about those appointments that I've had, guys, is that it just helped me so much. This is one of the moments that you can actually utilize the Nordstrom styling service to help you pick out things for a vacation. So things that I wasn't even thinking, it wasn't on my radar. I just mentioned to her some of my events that I had coming up, and she prepared everything for me. So obviously I didn't need everything that she put out there. And one thing that's important to mention too is that there's zero pressure to buy. It's just so nice to just go in, be able to see what they have, maybe pick an item, maybe not, maybe give you some ideas of things that you already have in your closet that you're like, I forgot I had this. So this is definitely something I want to, take to the beach with me. So they are free of charge, and I'll have the information down below in the box so you guys can check it out. Make your appointment if you're planning that vacation. But even if you guys are just going to a wedding, if you're a guest on an event, if you have a cocktail party, if you have a business party, if you have a dinner, if you need gifts for like a hostess or anybody, like it doesn't have to be a holiday thing. Valentine's coming right around the corner. So these ladies can really help you tackle everything on your shopping list needs. So super worth checking them out. And then some tops, guys, whether it's like t-shirts or dressier tops. I picked up like a little knit top, and this can be worn with all of these things in here, okay, like interchangeable. A nice little shoulder padded t-shirt. I really like this guy here. This one's sold out, so no outfit deets in here, but like a dressier top. This is like super cute, like has little pearls. I feel like it dresses up any outfit if you're looking for something a little extra. And then bodysuits. So I will be bringing more than these. This is just like a small preview on my suitcase. So bodysuits are really good, especially these ones from Express. I love them. Have them in a lot of colors. They're just easy, and you look instantly put together. Looks great with jeans. It looks great with denim shorts, skirt, and all of that good stuff. I will be bringing a pair of just regular crop jeans. These Levi's here are so fab for the summertime. And also a couple of like Anine Bing t-shirts. I don't have them out. They are a little bit thicker, so for the heat of Brazil, and we're going far south, it should be a little bit too heavy, but I'll probably just bring one for the nighttime or something like that. Bathing suits also. So selecting just a few of my favorite bathing suits. I have this one's the one that I shot in Miami in the beginning of 2021, and absolutely fabulous. This is just such a beautiful, gives you a beautiful figure. And it is a Brazilian brand. I can recall from the top of my head. Let me see if there's a tag in here. Sauípe. Yes, that's Sauípe swimwear. And I might have a discount code. I need to see if it's still active, but I will let you guys know by the time the video goes live. These ones are super cute. I got a shop bop. And then this is a Revolve piece that I bought for Malibu last year, and actually just wore once, put it on and took it out because it was so cold where we were. Anywho, you guys are gonna have to be watching my stories on Insta if you want to see what this looks like, which by the way, if you guys are not following me on Instagram yet, make sure that you are, because I will try to show you a few glimpses and a few snaps of Brazil. We're going down to Florianopolis, the island in the south, and it should be amazing, guys. I'm so hoping it will be. Okay, so other things that I also bring, guys, and these are not going to be on my carry-on, but just a nice oversized shirt, just button up. You can wear it like loose, like so, or you can just belt it. This is Urban Revival. It's an Asian brand I worked with, and I am so obsessed with this. It has a little knit piece that goes over it, but you can definitely wear without it. You can wear with like a belt bag, flats. You can wear it loose with sneaks, denim jacket over. It's just a great piece. I do tend to wear lots of dresses during vacation because I feel like they pack light and you can wear them in multiple ways, and lots of white. As you can see, this is a super cute one with like maybe some cute necklaces, a cute straw hat, definitely straw hats. And then I'll just bring a New Year's Eve dress. This is something that's been here. This bag has been here for a couple months now. I just haven't unpacked from a previous trip. So this one's probably going to be too much for Brazil. But definitely like this little Zara number. This one could be a nice outfit for New Year's Eve. Usually we all wear white in Brazil for New Year's Eve. And so I'm so excited. I don't know if this video will go live before that or after, but definitely something you'll see if you are on, you know, an Insta follower. You guys, this is the Barcelona cover up from L Space. It is one part of their permanent collection, and if I can't recommend it enough. It is something that looks so beautiful on. I actually had it was 2020, January 2020. I went to Rio with Bella and I took it with me, and it is a little see-through, but if you wear with a bathing suit underneath or nude underwear, then you should be plenty fine. You can even wear like a Spanx, like a nude, one of those lycra shorts, biker shorts. It's actually in, you know, just if you really want to be covered up. But it is so beautiful. It's a linen material, so it just falls really nice on the body, and you can be very dressed up, you know, for more of like an occasion during the day, obviously, or just wear as a bathing suit cover up. But it is so beautiful on. I'm telling you, if you are looking for a cover up or for like a white shirt dress, this is it. This one is also super cool, but this is more of like an oversized cool girl type of vibe, and this is more of like a timeless. So this is more trendy, and this is more of a timeless piece that would never get out of style. So highly recommend, and we'll be taking to Brazil. And for the last but not least, you guys, cosmetics. So here is just the bag that I had on my toiletry bag. I had it from my previous trip too. These are things that I always leave on. Leave in here, never take it out. It's like my minis and lots of deluxe samples. I like traveling with them because they occupy less space, and it's nice to carry on like this. So little hair mask, my deodorant, toothpaste. I will have my little cosmetics bag for shampoo, conditioner, that kind of stuff, hair equipment, and makeup. But you guys, this is it. The only thing that I don't have in here right now is my straw hats, and that's something that I pack to go to. I do have a video that talks about tips and hacks of packing, and I'll link them down below as well so you guys can check it out. In that video, I show you how I pack my straw hats in my big bag so they don't get destroyed by the time I arrive to the final destination. And this was it for today, you guys. I hope that you were able to gather up some ideas for your upcoming travels to maybe like a warmer place, hopefully. And what I'm trying to get out of this video is that you can pack light, bring just a few items. You can still look chic, but in a simple way. So just be smart about what you bring with you that you can wear in multiple ways. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Make a comment down here if you're going somewhere warmer this season, or what kinds of travel plans you have for 2022. Hopefully we're all going to be able to maintain them, keep them, and go places again. That would be really an amazing blessing. I can't wait for the new 2022 with you guys together, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Um beijo. Tchau, tchau.